Hello YouTube, it's been a while since I've done an episode of Big Cooking Tiny Kitchen, and we are in a different kitchen on location in Houston, Texas. Dun, 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 dun. Now as a married woman, making food for two and quickly and lightly because yeah, that honeymoon weight is real. So I have an invention. It's called, or I'm calling it, I'm sure it already exists, but I'm gonna show you how to do this real quick. Mexican pizza tacos. I don't know if that's the final name. Anyway, that's what we're gonna call it. So enjoy, and we definitely will. Ciao for now. So the ingredients are super simple: mozzarella cheese, thin tacos, and salsa. You're gonna put your however many tortilla shells you want in the sartén or the frying pan. Then you go ahead and put it on medium heat, I would say. Add your salsa as the base. Add the pepperonis if you like. And then add the mozzarella, guys. This is so simple, but it is pretty stinking yummy. I left it open to face, but you could always like squeeze them together and call it a pizza quesadilla. You know, whatever you want to do. We're open here, open to ideas. Don't burn yourself. Get it as toasty as you want. And when the cheese is melted, it is ready to go. This little baby did not last long. It was husband approved and super yum. Hope you enjoyed it.